Happy? Okay, yan. So, number 1 is commit. Commit myself to a relationship with Christ with trust and obedience. Through prayer, His words, my actions, and relationships. So, sino may Bible? Second. Okay, sige. So, open natin sa book ng Matthew 22, verse 36 to 38. And then, sino yung nakabasa? Sino yung nakakita? Pabasa na lang po. Wala. Ayan. Sige. Sino babasa? Dapat na. Sino babasa? Sige na, Mark. Papatawa ka eh.
Which is the greatest commandment in the law? Matthew 22.
Diba? 36 to 38.
7 pa.